The CHEP Pallecon 315-gallon IBC, or intermediate bulk container, is a simple, safe, and cost-effective way to ship liquid products. Why choose the CHEP Pallecon IBC? Let's compare it to an alternative solution, a corrugated or cardboard IBC. Let's evaluate the operational efficiencies of each container. When full, CHEP Pallecon IBCs can be safely stacked up to 5 high without the need for racking. This can increase your storage capacity by 60% per pallet space. The CHEP IBC can be easily set up by a single operator in less than a minute. Cardboard IBCs are more labor-intensive, requiring up to 15 minutes to unfold, set up, and securely strap each container to a pallet. The additional labor and cost of these extra materials from multiple suppliers can quickly add up. With its built-in pallet and interlocking lid, the CHEP IBC provides all the necessary components, which helps simplify your operation and keep costs down. Additionally, after use, the cardboard IBC requires dismantling of its individual components and disposal into landfill, adding more labor, cost, and environmental waste. Now, let's take a look at a couple of safety challenges with cardboard IBCs. They typically do not offer security features, while CHEP Pallecon IBCs can be secured with tamper-evident seals to ensure product safety. Strapping required to secure the cardboard IBC can snap back, causing a hazard. And cardboard IBCs present numerous hygiene challenges, leaving behind cardboard dust and waste materials. Additionally, if the cardboard becomes too moist, it is prone to accumulating bacteria and collapsing while in storage or in transit. This instability when stacking cardboard IBCs can create significant hazards for team members. Overall, the CHEP Pallecon IBC is a more durable, safe, and hygienic container that is much easier to use. For more information or to request a quote on our bulk liquid containers, contact us today. Together, we can advance the smart and sustainable movement of goods, helping you achieve operational excellence and a more resilient supply network.